Top 4 foods that support kidney health and help your body handle waste. What if some of the foods sitting in your kitchen could actually help support your kidneys? Your kidneys work around the clock, filtering waste and balancing fluids and minerals in your body. But here's the truth most viral videos won't tell you. No single food can magically detox or repair damaged kidneys overnight. However, choosing the right foods regularly can support kidney health and may reduce some of the dietary stress placed on your kidneys. And today, I'm showing you 4 foods worth knowing about. Stay until number 1, because it's one of the simplest foods you can add to your meals. Quick reminder, if you already have kidney disease, are on dialysis, or have been told your potassium or phosphorus is high, don't blindly follow a generic kidney diet. Kidney nutrition can change depending on your condition and blood test results. Always follow your healthcare professional's advice. Number 4. Cauliflower. Cauliflower is a great vegetable to consider because it's naturally nutritious and can be used as an alternative to foods that may contain more potassium. It's also a source of vitamin C, folate, and fiber. You can steam it, roast it, add it to soups, or mash it as an alternative to mashed potatoes. And here's an important point. The goal isn't to find one magical vegetable. The goal is to build a diet filled with nutritious foods while keeping things like excessive sodium under control. The National Kidney Foundation includes cauliflower among kidney-friendly food choices. Number 3. Blueberries. These tiny berries pack plenty of nutritional value into a small serving. They're rich in antioxidants and are relatively low in potassium, making them a popular choice in many kidney-friendly eating patterns. You can add them to oatmeal, eat them as a snack, or mix them into a simple yogurt bowl, depending on your individual dietary needs. But remember, portion size still matters. If you have advanced kidney disease, your potassium limits may be different from someone with healthy kidney function. So don't assume that because a food is considered healthy, you can eat unlimited amounts. Kidney diets are personal. Number 2. Garlic. Garlic may be small, but it can make a big difference to the flavor of your meals. And that's important because one of the biggest dietary concerns for kidney health is excess sodium. Instead of relying heavily on salt, you can use herbs, spices, garlic, onion, and other seasonings to make food flavorful. Health authorities recommend reducing sodium as part of kidney-friendly eating patterns because too much sodium can contribute to high blood pressure, which can damage the kidneys over time. So instead of asking, "What's the strongest detox food?" ask, "How can I make my everyday meals healthier for my kidneys?" That mindset is much more powerful. And number 1. Berries. Strawberries, blueberries, and other suitable berries can be excellent additions to a balanced diet. They're naturally sweet, provide fiber and antioxidants, and some varieties are relatively lower in potassium than certain other fruits. But here's where many online kidney videos get it wrong. More isn't always better. If your kidneys aren't functioning properly, your body may have difficulty controlling potassium and other minerals. That means even healthy foods can need to be limited depending on your condition. The National Kidney Foundation specifically highlights berries, such as blueberries and strawberries, among nutritious kidney-friendly choices. So don't think of these foods as a kidney cure. Think of them as tools for building a healthier overall eating pattern. And here's something even more important than any of the 4 foods. Watch your sodium. A healthy eating pattern for kidney health generally emphasizes less salt and fewer highly processed foods. The NIDDK recommends aiming for less than 2,300 milligrams of sodium per day for adults, although your healthcare professional may recommend a different target depending on your condition. Also, don't start drinking excessive amounts of water because someone online told you to flush your kidneys. People with kidney failure may actually need to restrict fluids, so remember, cauliflower, blueberries, garlic, and berries. They're not miracle cures, but as part of the right overall diet, they can help you make smarter choices for your kidney health. If you learned something new, save this video and share it with someone who needs to see it. And comment kidney if you want the next video on 5 everyday foods that may be putting unnecessary stress on your kidneys.